In this video, I am going to show you regression analysis. For the regression analysis, you should have a research model. Okay, let me show you one of the example. Here is a research about the customer perception on mobile banking services in ABC Bank. So this is in this research there are 5 variables for the independent variables. One is a dependent variable. So based on the dependent and independent variables, we develop the research framework, research model, and hypothesis. Based on this model, we have a 5 hypotheses. Say example, first one is a perceived usefulness has a positive influence on intention to use mobile banking service. Second one, perceived easy has influence on mobile banking apps. Third one, perceived security has an impact on intention to use mobile banking app. Fourth one is a perceived information has a positive effect on intention to use mobile banking apps. Fifth one, perceived trust has a positive and direct relationship with intention to use mobile banking apps. So once you have the hypothesis, then you can test your regression model. Okay, before you go for the regression model, let's see your data. Okay, here is a perceived is the PU1. This is a perceived usefulness. Under this variable 5 items, and then perceived easy 5 items, perceived security 5 items, and also perceived information 5 items, perceived trust 5 items, and intention to use mobile banking 5 items. So if you want to run the regression analysis, first you need to compute the item, make it a variable. So how are you going to compute it? You need to go to the transform, click the transform, then click the compute variable, and once you click the compute variable, you need to type target variable. This one is a say the perceived usefulness. Okay, usefulness. Okay, and see this item. Okay, so click this first bracket and take the 5 items one by one. First one PU1 plus, then PU2 plus, then PU3 plus, PU4 plus, PU5, then divided by number of item. Number of item is a 5. Once you just done the numerical expression, then you just click OK. So you can see this one already done. So need to do the other variable. The next variable is a perceived easy. Okay. So under this variable 5 item, but remember these 5 items need to be ensured by the factor analysis and reliability analysis. But based on the factor analysis, sometimes the sum of item could be dropped, or reliability analysis, some item could be dropped. So say that this number 2 item PE2 is dropped in factor analysis. So in this case, we're not going to take the 5 items. We're going to take only the 4 item. So how are we going to take it? Okay, so write the target variable, then just click the first bracket and take one by one. PE1 plus, then just leave this one, PE2, then take the next one, PE3 plus, then PE4 plus, then PE5 divided by 4, because here is the 4 items. Then click OK. So it's already done. So need to do the other variables one by one. So you can go to the data variable view and see the last 2 variable already created. So we already done the 5 variables. Now we want to run the regression model according to our research framework or theoretical framework. Okay. So for the regression analysis, you need to go to the analyze, then click regression, then click linear, and once you click the linear, you find the dependent and independent variables. So first you select the dependent variable. So this is one, the dependent variable, intention to use, and move to the here dependent, and then select one by one according to your hypothesis. So first relationship is a perceived usefulness, second is a perceived easy, then is a perceived security, then perceived information, then perceived trust, all independence here. So once you just move the dependent independent variables in the appropriate box, then you just click OK. Now you can see that the result. Okay, regression already done. First you see the model summary. So under the model summary, the R value is a 0.754, R square is a 0.568, adjusted R square is a 0.561. You need to check the R square value. According to the scholars, expert, the R square value must be 0.50. I repeat, the R square value must be 0.50. So in this test we found the R square value is a 0.568, which is above 0.50. So this is acceptable. Then you need to see the coefficient. You see the relationship between the dependent variable. Here dependent variable is intention to use mobile banking, and the first one, the relation perceived usefulness with the intention to use mobile banking apps, the result show the significant is a 0.000. This one indicate the perceived usefulness has positive and significant influence on intention to use mobile banking apps. So the next one is a above 0.05 is insignificant. Then the next one is a above 0.05 insignificant. The number 4 is a significant because it's a less than 0.05. Perceived trust is a below 0.05 is also significant. So you can copy this one and move to the Microsoft Word and paste here. Okay, so once you just paste here, you can create a table like this, APF table. So you can make the hypothesis according to your hypothesis relationship, and you can copy the beta value from here and then paste here, and standard error value from here to here, and t value from here to here, and significant value from here to p value, and your R square value. Hypothesis 1 is a significant, hypothesis 4 is a significant, hypothesis 5th is a significant. So if you make the conclusion of the hypothesis, the perceived usefulness has positive influence on intention to use mobile banking apps is supported. Second is a perceived easy has positive impact on intention to use mobile banking apps, not supported because it's insignificant. Third one also not supported because of insignificant. Fourth one and fifth one is supported because of significant. So once you have the findings, you need to interpret your result according to the findings, and also you need to relate your findings with the previous studies. Okay, I hope this video is gonna help you. Thank you for watching.